How to make money on Rumble in 2023. Rumble is a video platform that provides ample opportunities for content creators to monetize their work. In this video, we will explore various ways to make money on Rumble and share some valuable tips to maximize your earnings. Rumble is a free user-generated content (UGC) platform that allows everyone to upload and share videos. The platform generates revenue through partnerships with media giants like MTV, Xbox, Yahoo, and MSN, as well as advertising. Content creators can sign up for a free account and start uploading their videos right away. Rumble shares the revenue earned from video performance with its creators. If your video is used by a partner or generates views through advertising, you will receive a portion of the revenue. This is NorBipole TV. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. Ways creators can make money on Rumble. 1. Choose the right licensing option. Rumble offers 4 different licensing options for creators: video management, exclusive, and video management, excluding YouTube. By selecting either of these options, Rumble can share your videos with partner sites and TV networks. They will pay Rumble for the rights to showcase your videos, and you will receive a share of this revenue. Rumble only. This option limits your videos to be viewed solely on Rumble.com. You can earn revenue through advertisements displayed on your videos. Personal use. With this option, you retain all the rights to your videos. However, your videos will neither be searchable nor monetized. They will only be available to your subscribers. 2. Earning potential on Rumble. According to Small Business Trends, if Rumble approves your video for use by one of its partners, you will receive $50. Additionally, if your video makes it onto Rumble's front page, you can earn an additional $100. These earnings are in addition to the ad revenue you generate when advertisers connect with your video. 3. Creating videos that generate revenue. To maximize your earnings on Rumble, focus on creating videos that can attract a substantial number of views and generate advertising revenue. Here are some tips. Entertaining and informative content. Aim to create videos that are both entertaining and informative. High quality and engaging content tends to perform well and attract more viewers. Promote your videos. Since Rumble is not as well known as other platforms, such as YouTube, promoting your videos is crucial. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach a wider audience. The more views your videos receive, the more money you can make. 4. Using Rumble and YouTube together. Many creators recommend using Rumble and YouTube together to maximize earnings and expand your reach. This approach benefits both new and established creators. New creators. Uploading your videos to both Rumble and YouTube increases your chances of getting views and making money. While it may be challenging to gain traction solely on Rumble, leveraging the larger audience on YouTube can help you gain exposure and generate income. Established creators. Utilizing Rumble in addition to YouTube allows you to earn extra income and reach a broader audience. By diversifying your presence across platforms, you can tap into different viewer bases and increase your overall revenue potential. 5. Should you start making videos for Rumble? If you're a content creator seeking new ways to monetize your work, Rumble offers a promising platform to explore. While success is not guaranteed, creating high-quality and engaging video increases your chances of generating income on Rumble. By leveraging the monetization options and promoting your videos effectively, you can maximize your earnings potential. Conclusion. Hope you enjoy the video and you will start making money by using Rumble starting now. What you need to do is to go Rumble website and register and start uploading your videos by following the above steps. This is NorBipole TV. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.